Dua and Taha, linking learning with fun.
Today is a very special day. It is a big day. Meet Maya. Maya is 4 years old. Today is Maya's first day of school. The sun is up. The birds are singing. "Wake up, Maya," says Mommy. Maya opens her eyes. She feels a little nervous. She feels a little excited. Maya gets out of bed. First, she brushes her teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Next, she washes her face. Splish, splash, splish. Then, she puts on her new clothes. She is wearing a yellow t-shirt and blue jeans. "Look at my shoes," says Maya. They are bright red. They are very shiny. Maya goes to the kitchen. For breakfast, she eats yummy pancakes with honey. She drinks a tall glass of milk. "I am big and strong now," Maya says. Now it is time to get ready. Mommy gives Maya her backpack. The backpack is pink. It has a small butterfly on it. Inside the backpack, there is a water bottle, a snack box, and a soft teddy bear. "His name is Barnaby," Maya whispers. Barnaby is coming to school too. Arriving at school. The school is a big, colorful building. There are many children. Some children are laughing. Some children are crying. Maya holds Mommy's hand very tightly. "It's okay, Maya," says Mommy with a smile. "You will have so much fun." At the door, Maya meets her teacher. Her name is Miss Sarah. Miss Sarah has a kind face and a big smile. "Hello, Maya. Welcome to our classroom," says Miss Sarah. Maya takes a deep breath. She gives Mommy a big hug. "Goodbye, Mommy." "Goodbye, Maya. See you soon." Inside the classroom. The classroom is full of wonder. There are colorful posters on the wall. There are books, blocks, and paints. Maya sees a small table. There is a boy sitting there. His name is Leo. "Hello," says Leo. "Do you want to play with the blocks?" Maya smiles. "Yes, please." They build a tall tower. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks. Crash! They laugh and laugh. Maya has a new friend. Next, it is story time. Miss Sarah reads a book about a brave lion. Maya sits on the colorful rug and listens. She forgets to be nervous. After the story, it is time for a snack. Maya opens her pink backpack. She eats her apple slices. She shares her crackers with Leo. "Thank you, Maya," says Leo. "You're welcome," Maya replies.
Thank you.
Suddenly, Maya hears a bell. Ring, ring, ring. It is time to go home.
Bye-bye.
The day went so fast. Maya sees Mommy waiting at the gate. Maya runs to her and gives her a giant hug. "How was your day?" asks Mommy. Maya beams with joy. "I played with blocks. I met Miss Sarah. I made a friend named Leo. I love school." Maya is not a little baby anymore. She is a big schoolgirl, and she can't wait for tomorrow.